Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now this is the first video in the Python Flask series. In this series we are going to be discussing how Python Flask can be used to develop web applications and web APIs. Now Python Flask is a lightweight, flexible web framework for Python. It is very easy to use, it is lightweight, it is easy and just straightforward really. It's lightweight. So the key features are minimalistic and lightweight, meaning Flask is very lightweight compared to some other packages or frameworks like Django and the likes. It's easy to use. The code is very, you can keep your code very short and it will work very fine. It also has Ginger 2 templating engine, which means it enables us to easily generate dynamic content for our HTML. Like, so you can run like some Python like syntax in your HTML code, making us able to generate random dynamic HTML like on the go. So now it's also extensible and modular, meaning it's scalable, it's easy to use. You can reuse your code in modules and packages. Also, Python Flask has a very big ecosystem. It has a lot of extensions that you can use to automate and deploy features like security, login, and authentication. So it's it has a very big ecosystem. There's a lot of development going on in Flask. There are a lot of features you could use. So let's go ahead and explore Python Flask. So you could also subscribe to my channel to get the next videos about Python Flask and how it's used. Thank you so much for watching.